What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video here on Kame Trick. We are shredding at Meteor Drift Park during the Kame Trick Friday night live stream. Experimenting with some new camera angles. We've got a top-down camera for you guys as well, so you can see the shifter and e-brake usage a little bit more clearly than you usually can in my content. So I hope that's something you enjoy. And we're just playing a little game of musical chairs here, where every lap the lead car is going super wide, and as many cars as feel comfortable trying to pass them, usually just one, sometimes two, go on by on the inside in what we call a burst pass. Up to third here through the fast section, and then we're going to come down to second and basically just coast all through this until we clutch kick out in second gear to link the track again. We do have tire wear on, so I'm not sure how long I'm going to be able to go before things get dicey. We'll see. We're catching up to the yellow S13 of Thanes. Down to second here as we float out to the cones. And we'll be working into position. I'm going to let Thanes lead the next lap as well. So he's just come in and I got to get up to him, which is going to take the rest of the map. Let's see what kind of trouble we can get into here. We're gonna sneak by. And now we can start to dig in close. Time our transitions appropriately. Match up on the braking. I'm using a little bit shallower angle right now than our lead driver, and that's just kind of a coincidence, really, being a little bit more cautious. Now we're going to transition inside and go for the pass and become the lead car in this train. Oh, and our chase car FE mods came along too, so we had two cars pass the lead car. So our lead car is now the third driver in this tandem train. That was rowdy. Alright, lead position. Not too much here. We're just going to try and keep it fairly consistent, fairly followable. Get out to the wall. Shift up to third during that transition, during the off-throttle time, using max angle to slow the car down. Oh, I decided to take out the entire row of cones. Little left foot brake to tighten us up here. Doomy, you're out of here, calling it a night. Right on, cheers. As always, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for moderating for me. Give the guys a bonus here. One more lap. Really, I was giving Thanes the opportunity to chase me since FE pulled in. So I'll be going wide next time. Just feathering throttle here. As we run out towards the walls again. Here I like to transition a little earlier and shoot the car out wide. It didn't really come together the way I hoped for just then. You can get the idea. Alright, we're going to go wide on purpose here. Let the guys have the pass. Beautifully executed, gentlemen. Oh, and we're out of gas. Well, that's how it goes. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this content. Peace.